ATS Night Bridge, Sector 124, Noida. This is the locality. It is near to Delhi, to Okla Bird Sanctuary. दिल्ली से पास में है, ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी के पास रहेगा। ये दिल्ली से कनेक्टिविटी है। आप देख सकते हैं मेट्रो लाइन है यहाँ पे, मेट्रो लाइन से पास पड़ेगा। ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी इसके पास। और यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सारे बिल्डिंग भी है, सुपरनोवा भी है, सुपरटेक का। एंड यू हैव गॉट दिस ATS. दिस इज वन ऑफ द लग्जरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स इन नोएडा, in sector 124 Noida. This is the connecting road which is going to Noida Expressway. Noida Expressway इस तरफ रहेगा आपका, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे रहेगा। एंड दिस इज दी सबवे रोड। आप देखिए कंस्ट्रक्शन जोरों शोरों से चल रही है ATS नाइट ब्रिज का। एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द लग्जरियस प्रोजेक्ट। मतलब आप अगर नोएडा में घर देख रहे हैं तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द लग्जरियस प्रोजेक्ट। हर जगह बोर्डिंग लगी हुई है, होर्डिंग भी है। एंड सुपरटेक सुपरनोवा भी साइड में है, आप देखिए यहाँ पे। ये देखिए, ये देखिए, ये वाली स्ट्रेट रोड नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे में जा रहा है। एंड दिस इज दी नाइट ब्रिज। उनकी प्लेकेट भी लगी हुई है, ATS नाइट ब्रिज सेक्टर 124 नोएडा, इस तरफ के लिए। अंदर जाते हैं हम लोग। अच्छी कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी चल रही है। Entry, we are entering into the complex. ATS Night Bridge. You can look into the construction quality. This is the road, 40 meters road, and the construction is going on. This is 6,000 square feet flat, minimum size. This is the main road. Again, you can look. 6,000 square feet apartment, and one is 10,000 square feet and 13,000 square feet penthouses and duplex, which are already sold out. This is the ATS Night Bridge. You can see the construction quality. This is the level. This is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. You can see the construction इतना तक हो गया है। Up to 16 floor construction has been done, and ये 40 floor तक 47 floor की construction होगी अब। You can see what a beautiful construction। 47 floor, जिसमें 40 floor आपका 6,000 square feet की flat होगी। Around 5 will be around 10,000 and 2 will be of 13,000. 10,000 will be of duplex, and 13,000 is the penthouses which ATS is developing. The clubhouse will be also be there. You can see ATS Night Bridge, and the basement parking is there. And 2-level basement parking. We have got club, swimming pool, gymnasium, everything available. काफी जोरों शोरों से काम चल रहा है। and it has been launched in 2017, and it will be delivered very shortly. Sir. See, this is the other tower. Here also the work has been going on. This is the third tower. This is the third floor. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. Up to 20 floor construction has been made. This construction will go up to 47 floor. It will wow factor will be there, and 47 floor, and it is one of the luxurious buildings in Noida. This is the main road. In the Supertech Supernova is also in front of the building. You can see service lane is going on. And it will connect there behind. We have got Supertech Supernova as well as BPTP Capital City. This is the 40-meter lane, and this road will connect to Noida Expressway. You can see another construction is also going on. In this ATS site. You can see the construction. It is in pillars. पिलर के ऊपर कंस्ट्रक्शन है इनका. आप देख सकते हैं. यू कैन सी वंडरफुल कंस्ट्रक्शन. These are the building details. It is constructed in pillars. Under will be the basement. And this is the carry on. The construction has been carry on. NGT के order के बाद 3 महीने construction बंद था. But ATS is really working hard to get it done in time. Very good builders. They had a very good reputation over the years. You can see the building going on. Four-bedroom apartments. It is one apartment per floor, 6,000 square feet, 360-degree view, and 100% Vastu compliant. This is the ATS Night Bridge locality. That's great. The connecting road going on wonderfully well. This is the 5th building, construction area. And the construction has been going on in very fast. You can see this is the straight road. It will 40-meter road connecting. This is the whole of the ATS area. It will also develop some of the retail spaces as well for lease and all. And this is the construction site. You can see. You can see this is the first building, third building, and this is the fifth one. Floor-wise building construction has been done. In pillars it is working on. You can look into the pillars and look how it is getting ready. See, this is the building. It is the fifth tower. You can very well see. This is the 501 6,000 floor apartment. 6,000 floor apartment. And 501, 503, 504, 5, 6. This is how the construction is going on. Very nice set of construction of various towers. See, this is the thing it will come up with. Thank you. This is the ATS Night Bridge project. You can see how it goes. ATS Night Bridge. You can see this is the building and this is the main road. Construction going on of various towers from the front view. You can see. This is the view from the front end. You can view the locality, you can view the roads. This is connecting to Noida sector 128 and this is the road. The tower east facing direction towers. These are the towers ready. ATS Night Bridge. You can view. Construction going on at the full swing. 6,000 floor apartments, 6,000 square feet floor apartments. You can view the project like this of ATS. Thank you.